Winter is coming. But for you, it might already be here. I'm talking rain, snow, ice, and every reason you need to pay attention to your RV roof. Your roof and seals are what stand between you and the waterbed experience you didn't sign up for. Let's get this winter-proofed, shall we? First things first, give your roof a once-over. Look for cracks, gaps, bubbles, or anything that looks like it belongs in a horror film and not on your RV. It's simple. If it doesn't look smooth, it's a problem. Winter loves to sneak through cracks and gaps. Nothing good ever hides in the cracks. Seals are like the security guard of your RV. They keep all the nasty weather out. If you see wear and tear, grab your sealant and start patching. Smooth and steady. Picture yourself as the Bob Ross of sealant. Happy little lines, keep you dry one seal at a time. All right, now we're looking for soft spots. If it feels bouncy, there could be water damage underneath, so step carefully. Nobody wants to get acquainted with their RV floor from above. Feels solid? Good. Feels spongy? Bad. Leaves, twigs, and other debris do not belong on your roof. They can trap moisture in and make winter even worse. This stuff is like a winter invitation to leaks. Keep your roof clear and you'll thank yourself later. So here's the deal. Give your RV roof a little love now and you'll have less to worry about when the snow comes down. It's as simple as that. Stay warm, stay dry, and remember, winter doesn't mess around, and neither should you. Catch you next time, hopefully not soaked.